Hi, I'm your Papa Bear Benji Paras and my character here is Senator Quintin. Talagang maaasahan natin. Yes, yung character ko rito is straightforward pero funny and lovable senator.
Very true to yourself.
Yes. And maka-Pilipino ako rito. That's why I'm always wearing barong. Yung nangyari kasi rito is may mga pumasok na iba-ibang sindikato. I'm trying to make peace sa dalawang grupo. Kaya lang hindi magkakasundo. Doon nila makikita yung tunay na karakter ko. So hindi lang ako basta mabait dito.
My character is Viktor Valtrovi, a Czech billionaire, but also the head of syndicate who is spreading worldwide like a virus. He's ruthless, but he also has a heart.
Are you having me followed again?
For his daughter, of course,
Victor!
and for his wife.
What the hell are you doing in Tagalog? Anong ginagawa mo?
The audience might ask themselves, is he bad? Is he good? Just so complicated, this character. But you know, at times, there are also funny moments.
I was just joking. I was just about to release him.
Ako si Donabel Valtrovi. Nakapag-asawa ko na isang mayaman na taga Prague. Na-inlove talaga ako sa kanya. Doon nagsimula yun. At nagkaroon kami ng anak, napakagandang anak, na hindi naman nagkakalayo sa ganda ko.
Kiara. Are you having me followed again?
Nakakatuwa kasi at her age, yung atake niya very mature. Deserve niya dito yung talaga maging main character kasi makikita dito lahat ng mga hindi pa niya ilalabas, ganun. Ito na yun, very loud, kapangpangan na dating beauty queen, so makulit, maingay, pero loving. Loving mother and loving na asawa. Makikita mo dito na talagang kahit ano na siya, mayaman siya, Pilipina pa din, nakikay. So, hindi na nakakalayo sa kay Bros. Victor! What the hell are you doing in Tagalog? Anong ginagawa mo?
Ako po si Arlene Mulak and I play the role of Tess Pinagpala, wife of Mario Pinagpala, played by Edu Manzano. My sons are Enrique and Mark Ian.
Mikoy, halika na, pakidala mo na to, pakideliver na kay Kapitan sa Tumana, ha?
I am your typical Filipino mother, maalalahanin, mapagmahal, very supportive, gagawin ng lahat para sa mga anak niya, para sa asawa niya, para sa buong pamilya niya. Sa umpisa, you'll think na parang wala namang kaalam-alam itong si Tess sa nangyayari sa paligid niya. Which is true. Wala talaga akong alam na may ganito at may ganon pero hindi ko pwedeng sabihin sa inyo.
Ano si nanay at tatay? Sweet na sweet pare.
My name is Edu Manzano and I play Mario. I'm married to Arlene Mulak and Mario's a very loving man. You know, he loves his family, he loves his wife, and there's nothing he wouldn't do for his kids. Very simple man who tries to play the epitome, a good provider. He had a very dark past and he chose to start anew and concentrate on the things that matter the most. Being in the business for so long, I've done so many of the like. But when they were explaining yung pagbabago, unfolding of certain events, further unfolding ng mga characters, not just yung regular na putahe, I mean, ang dami ng mga abubot on the side, which I think makes it more colorful, mas interesado. There's so many layers. Layers that are gonna catch a lot of people by surprise.
I'm Joel Torre and I play Norberto Ruiz. I'm the agency director of the Global Agency for Government Operations,
Get ready, Special Agent Shano.
which the acronym is GAGO. My character is a straightforward military person. Siyempre, no nonsense kunyari. Strict, played by the books, and he wants things very organized as an agency director. But behind all this facade, meron siyang past. Sabi nga, walang spoiler alert, so abangan nyo na lang. Yun ang kaabang-abangan nyo because may mga innuendos, may mga insinuations na although this is a TV series, it's also a little bit based from what's happening in society.
Good morning, world! Good morning, Prague!
My name is Kim Domingo at ang aking pong character dito is si Special Agent Alexandria Cortez. Ako po dito ay isang agent. Meron po akong hinahabol na isang malaking sindikato na gusto kong maghuli and mag-hustisya yung kanilang mga nabiktima. Si Alex kasi, para sa kanya kung ano talagang tama, yun yung gagawin niya. Siyempre, meron siyang heart, lalo na sa mga taong na-abuso, mga nabiktima. So, very eager yung character ko dito talaga na mabigyan ng justice yung mga nabiktima ng sindikato na gagawin. Marami silang dapat abangan. Una dyan, syempre, yung action. And then, yung comedy din. And yung love story. Marami silang dapat abangan. Get ready, Special Agent Shano. Time to bring Mikoy in.
Hi everyone, I'm Queen Mercado and I'll be playing the role of Sophie dito sa A Secret in Prague. Ako dito ay anak ng isang general. Very spunky, angas, astig. Mabait siya kahit maangas siya. Boy siya dito pero yung palabas niya is pambabae. Totoong buhay, very parang malamya. So, hindi ako yung palaban. Pero yung character ko kasi sobrang palaban siya. Talagang wala siyang inaatrasan. Siyempre, dapat niyong abangan yung mga angas moves ko. Magugulat kayo. Basta, ang masasabi ko na lang, may masasaktan. Yun lang.
You keep the money, but you owe me a beer.
Hi mga kapatid, ako po si Mark Ian Garcia and I will play the role of Angelito, kapatid ni Kuya Mikoy na gaganapin naman po ni Kuya Enrique Hill. He's smart, he's studious. Siya yung magtutuloy ng pangarap ng kanyang kuya.
Kuya Angelito, itutuloy mo yung pagpunta sa Maynila. Magtatapos ka ng kolehiyo.
I can actually relate my personality with my character. Studious din ako. I won't say na nadalian ako, but more of I could relate kaya it's kinda easier for me. Medyo may kulit to madadawit sa mga problema sa pag-ibig. Abangan nyo.
Pero alam mo kuya, yan ang dapat mong pangarapin. Yung partner na makakasama mo sa buhay.
Hello everyone, I am Cedric Juan and I'll be playing the role of Special Agent Shano. Sa team nila, siya yung pinaka-techie, bookworm, ang hilig niya sa kung ano-ano mga geeky references. Hindi siya yung laging approaching and aggressive one. He's more of parang brain nung team. Ayaw niyang ipakita yung true colors or self niya. Parang facade. Parang heartbroken na siya He's doing agent work para talaga sa taong mahal niya. At the same time, he's doing it for the love of country and countrymen. Multi-layers yung bawat characters. International yung age niya Hindi lang siya sa atin dito sa Pinas, pumunta sa Prague. Mas malawak yung narrative niya when it comes to world building.
Hi everyone, I'm Andrea Brillantes and I'll be playing the role of Chiara Valtrovi.
Chiara.
Si Chiara, laki siyang Europe, laki siya sa Prague, but meron pa rin siyang touch of Filipino-ness niya because of her mom na tiga Pampanga, so marunong siya magtagalog. She's a very fearless woman. She is very brave, she's very independent, but she has a heart. She's kind. Or baka di natin na lang, joke lang. Well, medyo mahirap kasing basahin si Chiara. So, I think madami silang aabangan tungkol sa kanya. Ano ba talaga ang pakay niya with Mikoy? Mahal niya ba talaga si Mikoy? Ano ba talaga ang plano ng family niya? Bakit si Mikoy napili nila?
Prague is a beautiful city. If you get to know her more, you'll definitely fall in love with her.
Hi, I'm Enrique Hill at ako po si Michael Mikoy D. Pinagpala dito po sa A Secret in Prague.
Michael D. Pinagpala.
He's a very loving son. Lahat po gagawin niya para sa mga magulang niya, para sa kapatid niya. Kaya niyang i-set aside ang kanyang mga pangarap, mga gusto sa buhay para po sa kanyang mga mahal sa buhay. Very selfless po si Mikoy. That's why I really connected with him. I wanted to make Mikoy as human as possible. Nagkakamali po siya, hindi po siya perfectong tao, pero he tries his best, he steps up pag kailangan. Kahit sino po makaka-relate po dito kay Mikoy, pwede po tayong maging hero in our own little ways. Basta maging mabuting tao lang po tayo. We can always make a difference, and we can always do good and be good. I think it's a breath of fresh air, especially on TV now. I mean, sa lahat ng mga nangyayari sa buong mundo, I think this is very different in a way na the lightness that we bring to the TV and to the viewers. We just want to give a really funny and happy show. And for sure, matutuwa po sila, mapapakilig sila, at mapapayak din at mapapatawa din sila.
Hanggat sa makakaya ko. Maging mabuting tao man lang siguro.
Secret in Prague, eto na. This coming April, abangan niyo yan. Napakagandang teleserye at kaabang-abang. At siguradong matutuwa kayo. At ito, pampamilya to. Yun yung importante.
Mga kapatid, malapit na. A Secret in Prague coming soon this April. I'm watching you. You better watch.
Wag na wag niyo pong palalagpasin. A Secret in Prague coming this April.
Abang po, panoorin niyo po yung A Secret in Prague.
It's a new project we're excitedly working on. It's entitled A Secret in Prague. And hoping that all of you do take time to take a look at it.
Kaya naman, sana po abangan nyo ang A Secret in Prague ngayong April na po. At dahil dyan, hingwe.
Kaya naman, ayan mga kapatid, iniimbitahan ko kayong lahat na manood ng A Secret in Prague this coming April na po yan. Syempre sa TV5.
Mga kapatid, panoorin po natin A Secret in Prague ngayong April na sa TV5.
Hello mga kapatid, iniimbitahan ko kayo na manood at supportahan ng A Secret in Prague ngayon na po yan.
Mga kapatid, iniimbitahan ko po kayo sa darating po ng Abril. Ay mapapanood nyo na po ang A Secret in Prague. Kaya antabayanan po ninyo, makita-kita po.
Iniimbitahan ko po kayong lahat na manood at suportahan ang A Secret in Prague ngayong April na po.
Secret in Prague, simula ngayong Abril.